A 9.1 inch by Missyou spin display for outdoor, IP65 rated, put on anything imaginable, 700 plus. And we're going to show you what this product is about. The Missyou 9.1 inch spin display. It's a 110 volt system, IP65 rated, and we're going to show you what you get inside the box and how nicely it's packaged. As we open up the packaging, it is protected by foam. The instruction guide to go over the 5D displayer, app driven with the remote control, 2 AAA batteries not included, the 110 volt to 12 volt converter, a bolt and washer for the stake to put in the ground, and a 9.1 inch spin display and cable. There are 4 bolts to take off to get inside the spin display for the SDXC card, as well as hanging up on the wall the 4 holes in the back. Setting up the spike is rotating around the display, bringing the cable out of the way, taking the bolt, sliding in to the inside, bringing it through the hole over here. Place the bolt in, lift up, grab between the coupler, and slide the bolt on. Take the washer and the spike and screw on. With the Allen key tool grabbing in the corner of the bolt and locking down. Once secured, remove the Allen key bolt and you're ready to stake into the ground. The next step is to run your electric to the 110 volt, brown and blue, yellow is ground. The information on the device tells you the color code of load, neutral, and ground. 2 locking areas to lock down on the wall by placing screws. Lock down and secure. For our demonstration purposes, we're locking down at the workbench. Lock down, load, and neutral, and your ground. With the AC side, notch. The DC side, notch, match like for like. Squeeze in to the ring, secure close for IP rating. Turning on the switch of AC, your unit starts up at default of a fish, a 10 countdown, a dinosaur, a strawberry, a bowl of cherries, a rockfish, a holiday greeting, an additional season's greetings, a mail package, a soda can, season's greetings additional, a group of flowers, and back to the bass fish. With the remote control, we could turn on and off the unit by pointing and shutting down. The unit will cool down and stop spinning. We have a previous and a forward on the remote control, a repeat as well. We could increase and decrease the brightness levels. We could pause the unit and play the unit. As we turn the unit on, we could pause the fish. This is for outdoor activities in your garden, landscape, To display images, we're going to show you how to install the program and what you can add yourself through the 700 plus image library of 1200 1600 resolution. An optional Allen key is required to take apart for the SDXC card. Once all 4 bolts are loosened, lift straight up out of the way. Remove the glass ring and cover. Located over here is your SDXC card. Simply push in and remove the card. Over on each side is the sensor for the remote control. Opening up the files, load the application, and you have 10 different images. The 5D displayer is open, and this is the program that you can select files, export, choose your language, and your displayer. Please take the card, place back into your displayer, and hook back up. Place back on your cover, over the rim, match up your bolts, and secure back down. Once the powers turn on, within 2 seconds, your spin display is up and running. Open up your Wi-Fi connection, look for a 3D displayer, and connect. Once connected, then you can open up the program, select the file, and export. With your mobile phone, download the application 5D displayer and open up. 3D displayer. Press Wi-Fi connects. Go to your 5D displayer and open up. You have the 10 images, roses, faith, number 6. In order to add your own images, simply hit the plus. Mobile album, dices, choose. Pinch the screen to adjust. Send. OK, and rename after loaded up. When finishing downloading, number 11 is the dice. If you hold and slide over to one side, you can delete. If you press the infinity on the bottom, you could repeat. Go into settings. You have a brightness level, dimming down, increasing. You have a volume for audio, changing the angle, the BLE, formatting the unit, and local. In the local, you're able to add in a montage, a cube. Put in your first picture, hit OK, hit finish, save, put a name to it, back out. On the main screen, go to the plus, hit the local, then hit the image you just created, enlarge or shrink, hit send, OK. As the image is loading into the system, the blue light is showing you progress. We have an image on. As we show, there's a lot you can do with this program. In order to get into the 700 plus library, disconnect off of the system. Check online for further details about the 700 images available. With the remote control, you could dim and increase the brightness level, pause the video, repeat, go back, turn off and on your unit. We're going to hook this up outside and show you what it looks like in the daytime and the evening hours. The 5D displayer is lit with designs, images, creative images that you can put your own logo and more. Put your own design on. Fruit, strawberries, remote control, and app driven. Create your own image, a smiley, A person running towards a car as a stunt person for your gardening needs. Landscape, wherever you want to put a 5D displayer, a hologram fan, waterproof. Enjoy the product if this is right for you.